Hello, happy Saturday again. This one is the last week. Ayan, no? So, I'm just make a video. This one as a souvenir activity, souvenir in my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you very much again to all of this because I have the videos and the short and the live stream. Okay, thank you very much talaga. You see, that's what I have, so I must be say thank you very much. Thank you. 67 subscribers, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. I say thank you talaga, all of you, because you are still watching in every weeks of my videos. So it means to see you will still support in my channel, in my simply videos, that what I have of my channel. Also thank you. I cannot eat louder, I cannot make louder my voice because Madam is in the sala and Celine and Sir, I think, is sleeping in his room. Okay, you see, ayan, diba? Of course my feelings is become happy. This one, the only part only that it makes me happy for myself. Okay, thank you, I'm very happy talaga. Thank you very much. Someday somehow I can always watching in this one if still I have in cell phone when I'm become 60 or 65. Thank you very much talaga. Thank you. Ayan, isipin mo, thank you for the likes. So people what, so there is to 285 likes, 11 shares, and 43 comments. So diba, thank you, and I wish that some of them peoples that you are watching, you subscribe also my channel. Don't forget also to subscribe. It's just a simply what's that for you if you want. Sabay pang ganun, okay? Thank you, and I wish that you subscribe me, like, share, and comments. Thank you again. In the different countries, because you are belonging in the different countries talaga. Not only in the Philippines, not only in Baghdad, Iraq, all countries, different countries in the worldwide, nationwide, and sa buong mundo, all the world talaga. Okay, so Friday gathering ready, yesterday lunch, hope Baghdad. I think that is the Friday gathering. Yeah. Okay, so thank you again talaga. Thank you and thank you and thank you. And thank you very much. Even may mga videos is like this one only, but it's very big. What's that? Very big. Ano ba yung tawag? Yung kayamanan. It's very, what's that? I don't know. I forgot. Wealth. It's a big wealth na for myself. Okay, that I have a subscriber, viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you very much to all of us, some vloggers, all vloggers in the social media. Kahit wala kayong social media, basta buong mundo, whole world, nationwide and worldwide. Thank you very much, and say bye-bye with love. That is with love. Okay, that is with love. Okay, that is with love, with grace. Thank you. Look my personality. Look, that is a simple life only of mine. Thank you very much talaga. Again, thank you with love. Bye.